Have you ever wished you could post to Slack from Google Sheets, Google Forms, using Google Apps Script? So here is a quick script. And then to post to Slack, we're going to create a webhook. And so I'm going to drop this URL. And so if you go here, it'll give you the option to create an app. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Then we're going to go from scratch. And then here, the app name is what's going to show as the from or username in our Slack channel. And so I'm just going to call this daily update. You can call this whatever you want. And then we want to pick the workspace. And then we'll click create app. And then we don't need to worry about any of this. This is for creating a full featured app, but all we need is a webhook. So over here under features, we're going to click on incoming webhooks. Click up here to toggle this on, and then we're going to add a webhook. And so now we can look at the workspace. We can determine the channel we want this to go into, and then click install daily updates. And now we have a webhook URL. And so I'm going to click copy, come up here to my sample script here. And this is just a very basic script. Click save. And now if we click run, this little message is going to get posted to Slack. So if we come over here to our Slack channel, you can see there is our little message. So you can check out our other videos for how to get data from Google Sheets or Google Forms, and then you can include that in your message here. And you can see here we have some basic markdown for new lines. And then this is called template text. So $sign and these curly braces. And then you can use variables outside and embed them in your message. And then I'll include this link in the description below. And this gives you an idea of how to format messages. And so it goes through links, some basic formatting and stuff like that. So that way you can take your Slack messages to the next level. That is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.